a Honda BRV installed with a Convex Android Master 6.95 inch Android Master GPS DVD player with Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera, for BRV. Buy one piece. Okay, Honda BRV. Okay, special with the Honda frame, Honda casing. Okay, installed for the 6.95 inch universal DVD player, Android Master. Reverse, Cogoo Night View Plus reverse camera. Okay, 1 gig RAM with 16 gig storage, 3 USB slot. Okay, got 2 USB extension put in a drawer, and one will connect with the original USB slot. Okay, SD card slot, DVD, a mic input, and a mic extension cable from the behind player. You have to go to setting. Okay, turn on player Wi-Fi, connect with your phone hotspot for internet, and log in Gmail in Play Store, and download app. Video input and video output, easy connect mirror link, Android USB and Android Wi-Fi, and iOS Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection and Bluetooth music, radio, so FM2, FM3, FM1. Clear apps, Bluetooth, you have to pairing with your phone, Bluetooth calling. Steering wheel control setting. Okay, 6.95 inch Android Master GPS DVD player for Honda BRV. Installed by one piece. Thank you.